Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today, I am going to draw and color beautiful house with trees step by step. Let's start drawing. To draw a house, I will first paint the roof of the house. I will draw 2 lines down on both sides. 2 round windows, and a beautiful door like this. We are going to draw the tree. To draw the tree, we will first draw the trunk of the tree. I will draw all the pages of this work one by one. Now we are drawing the leaves of the tree. After that, our drawing will be finished. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! First, I'm using green color for the leaves of the tree, because the leaves of the tree are green. Brown color. This is the blue color I am using on the roof. I will paint the walls of the house yellow and the doors and windows light blue. The sun is orange. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!